Hello and welcome to the Great North Gardener, where we bring you the best tips and tricks for starting and creating a garden for your home. Today, we're exploring the vibrant, aromatic world of indoor herb gardening. Imagine having fresh, flavorful herbs at your fingertips all year round, no matter the weather outside. It's not only convenient for your culinary endeavors, but also a rewarding hobby that's accessible to all. So, without further ado, let's dive into the world of indoor herb gardening. Starting off our list is basil, often referred to as the king of herbs. This regal plant is not just a royal in name, it's also a powerhouse of flavor, a staple in kitchens around the world. Growing basil indoors is a cinch, so long as you remember two key ingredients: sunlight and water. A sunny windowsill is a basil plant's best friend, and regular watering keeps it thriving. But what earns basil its crown is its unrivaled versatility in the culinary world, especially in Italian cuisine. Think of fragrant pesto sauces, fresh caprese salads, and mouth-watering margherita pizzas. With proper care, your basil plant will provide you with fresh leaves for your pasta and pizza year-round. Next on our list is parsley, a versatile herb that adds a fresh flavor to many dishes. Now, growing parsley indoors isn't rocket science, but it does require a bit of care. First and foremost, remember that parsley loves well-drained soil. This means you'll need to choose a pot with good drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Secondly, regular trimming is essential to encourage new growth and maintain a bushy plant. Now, let's talk about its culinary prowess. Parsley is a staple in many kitchens, adding a burst of freshness to salads and imparting a subtle flavor to soups. It's also a great garnish, giving your dishes a visually appealing finish. Growing parsley indoors ensures you have this versatile herb at your disposal whenever you need it. Moving on to mint, a refreshing herb that is easy to grow indoors. This vigorous green plant thrives beautifully indoors, requiring just a bit of your attention. It's all about choosing a large enough container for its roots to spread. This plant loves to stretch, so give it room to roam. Regular pruning is another secret to a thriving mint plant. A little snip here and there encourages fuller growth and provides you with fresh leaves to use. Now, let's talk about the culinary magic of mint. This herb is a star in its own right when it comes to beverages and desserts. Think about a chilled mint mojito on a hot summer day, or a scoop of mint chocolate chip ice cream. Having a mint plant indoors not only provides fresh leaves for your kitchen, but also adds a refreshing scent to your home. Next up, chives, a flavorful herb that grows well indoors. This versatile green delight is quite the low-maintenance plant, but it does thrive with lots of light, so a sunny windowsill would be perfect. Now, when it comes to harvesting chives, regular trims are key. This not only stimulates growth, but ensures a constant supply of those fresh, tender shoots. In the kitchen, chives are a culinary delight. Their mild, onion-like flavor pairs beautifully with so many dishes. They're a classic addition to fluffy scrambled eggs, and who can resist chives sprinkled over creamy mashed potatoes? The possibilities are endless. Chives can be a great addition to your indoor herb garden, providing a burst of flavor when you need it. Last but not least, rosemary, an aromatic herb that thrives indoors. This Mediterranean native loves sunlight, so a sunny windowsill is an ideal spot. But be careful with watering, as rosemary is not a fan of soggy roots. It prefers well-drained soil and good air circulation. So don't go overboard with the watering can, and ensure your pot has plenty of drainage holes. Now, let's talk about its culinary uses. Rosemary's robust, piney flavor is a fantastic addition to roasted meats, especially lamb and chicken. It also pairs well with potatoes, and you can even use it to infuse olive oil. Rosemary is not just a culinary delight, but also a beautiful plant to have in your home. So there you have it, 5 wonderful herbs that you can easily grow indoors all year round. We started with the king of herbs, the evergreen basil, perfect for your pesto and pasta dishes. Then, the versatile rosemary, a hearty plant that adds a punch to your roast. We moved on to mint, the refreshing herb that can jazz up your mojitos and salads. The 4th herb was parsley, the flavorful herb that can transform your soups and stews. And finally, we discussed the aromatic herb, chives, a great addition to your food. Each of these herbs has unique growing requirements, but all are easily manageable indoors. Thank you for joining us at the Great North Gardener. We hope this guide inspires you to start your own indoor herb garden. Until next time, happy gardening.